Bellwether offers high-quality siding and window replacement services in Evergreen, Colorado. We have been expertly completing siding replacement, window replacement, and home exterior design in the mountain area since 2017, and are acquainted with the beautiful setting of mountain homes and the rustic natural materials that create that mountain appeal. Unfortunately, a lot of those beautiful materials, in particular cedar wood siding, are not ideal for the Colorado climate. Evergreen experiences more extreme seasons and seasonal weather elements than homes in the Denver area. In Evergreen, winters bring snow and ice, even as the baking sun can create quick temperature shifts. These weather patterns take a toll on home exteriors, especially wood siding and wood design elements. We love to recommend James Hardie fiber cement siding to our mountain homeowners in Evergreen because fiber cement siding is the best siding product on the market for our Colorado mountain climate and will hold up in any weather without warping, softening, peeling, or cracking. The best part of living in the mountains is the beautiful natural setting, and homeowners in Evergreen love to incorporate nature in their home designs. With fiber cement siding from James Hardie, you can still achieve the rustic design of a traditional mountain home because fiber cement siding is reinforced and crafted to mimic the grain of wood. Evergreen homeowners can opt for fiber cement siding in wood tone, which finishes beautifully, presenting like wood grain in one of multiple color or stain options. We have helped many Evergreen homeowners design high-style mountain homes with the added protective bonus of James Hardie fiber cement siding. Beyond style and weather protection, Bellwether understands the biggest challenge of mountain living in Evergreen, the threat of wildfire. As one of the highest risk communities for loss in the nation, Evergreen homeowners should harden their homes against the threat of wildfire. James Hardie fiber cement siding is the first step, and its grade A fire rating immediately shields the home exterior from spark and flame. We also are experts in window installation and offer double and triple paned windows, which add fire protection. When you work with Bellwether on your Evergreen home siding replacement, our respectful and professional team members are with you every step of the way. After an initial assessment, we provide our Evergreen customers with a full proposal that includes the evaluation, recommendations, and how you can accomplish your design goals with siding products and windows aesthetically and functionally suited for your mountain home. When you sign a contract, we schedule immediately, navigating any permits and materials ordering so that you can relax and dream about your new home siding. Siding replacement isn't just about repairing damaged siding, and other siding contractors who don't understand the needs of mountain homes might not make recommendations based on local trends, needs, and climate. At Bellwether, we want to help create your dream mountain home, and this includes protection and beauty. In the mountain area like Evergreen, it's important to choose quality siding products that will stand up to the mountain weather and achieve your design goals. We have a long list of satisfied customers in the Evergreen area and can demonstrate our knowledge of mountain living, mountain home protection, and beautiful mountain home design. When you work with Bellwether for your Evergreen home siding needs, you're choosing an expert team of locals who understand what a mountain home needs to be protected and beautiful for years to come.